Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to send a PayPal link to receive money. First, log into your PayPal account on a computer or through the mobile application. Navigate to the Request tab, which is often found at the top or bottom of your screen. Look for the Share Your PayPal Me Link option to begin creating or accessing your personalized link. This link makes receiving payments incredibly simple and fast for everyone involved. Creating a unique PayPal Me Link is a great way to personalize your payment requests. Choose a simple, memorable name that reflects you or your business, like your name or your business name. This custom link makes it easy for others to remember and type it into their browser directly. You can edit this name if it is still available, ensuring it perfectly suits your needs for receiving funds. Sharing your customized PayPal Me Link is straightforward. Simply copy the link and paste it into a text message, email, or social media post. You can also add a specific amount to your link by typing a slash and the number at the end, for example, PayPal me/yourname/100. This instantly pre-fills the amount for the sender, streamlining the payment process even further. Always verify that you have received the correct payment amount in your PayPal account before providing any goods or services. Regularly check your privacy settings to control who can view your profile details. If a sender encounters issues, guide them to PayPal's Help Center or ensure their account is verified. These practices help ensure smooth and secure transactions for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.